Hi YouTube, this is a video to show the difference on a 6.2 diesel injector versus the 6.5 diesel injector. The one on the left is a 6.5 diesel injector out of a Humvee optimizer engine that I believe to be around 2006. I believe it was also turbo. I guess they all were by that time because it did have the coated pistons. And the injector on the right is a 6.2 out of a 85 Humvee truck. So I'm assuming that you get more volume fuel out of the 6.5 injector, but everybody asks, what is the difference? It seems, as far as swapping them out, the main difference is the height, which you could see with the parts. The lower part here that screws into the cylinder head is shorter on the 6.5, and the parts that go into it correspond with that. And you get to the top body, and it's also the same with the top where the injector line goes in. The body is a little bit shorter on the 6.5 on the left, and the spring corresponds with that height. Another thing, this 6.5 injector didn't seem to have a shim on top of the spring. I looked in there and it doesn't look like it's in there. It didn't bang out. It did have that Teflon washer. Then the 6.2 injector did not. That's probably just an extra effort to seal dirt out of the injector, because I don't believe that it would actually seal that for pressure or fuel. That would be on the precision ground surface. So, and just for reference, I'll show the parts of this injector. These are facing top to bottom how they come out. So that little bit of wear that is showing on that shim would be how it wore into the top of the body. This here fits into the bottom of that spring. That goes on top of this. And then you have the needle inside of there. And then this washer here that is facing right side up, how it fits in there. The other side is different. And you'll be able to tell that also because the opposite side, when you take it apart, will have more carbon packed onto it from being exposed on the underside. The only other thing, the needle inside of there, that seems to be the problem area. This 6.5 injector that I don't know any of the history of, it actually was stuck. It was a very clean injector, but that needle was completely stuck. So that seems to be what you look out for, and any dirt. Besides, calibrating them professionally, as far as the do-it-yourselfer, the main thing that you're looking for would be cleanliness and that needle not being stuck, from what I'm interpreting. I'm nowhere near a professional at this. I'm just trying to learn and go through my own stuff without spending a ton of money. So hopefully this doesn't turn into a disaster for me. This is the one on the right. Here's the first one I'm rebuilding. I took the one apart on the left as a reference and to see if there's any differences. So this is a reference video. There's really not any questions you can ask me besides what I'm showing here, because I don't have any experience with these. If I learn any more, I'll post another video. Thanks for watching.